Welcome to the world of mouth-watering pizzas. Today we journey to the heart of Chicago for the iconic deep dish pizza. In the realm of pizza, the Chicago deep dish stands tall, gracing us with its heavenly layers of deliciousness. The enchantment of this pie begins with the foundation, a dough unlike any other. It's yeast-based and rich with olive oil, creating a buttery, flaky crust that is baked to perfection, achieving a beautiful golden hue and a texture that is crisp on the outside, yet tender on the inside. Upon this crust, we lay the first of many surprises, a generous layer of cheese. Mozzarella is the star here, blanketing the dough with its creamy richness. Unlike the traditional pizza, where cheese is the crowning glory, in a deep dish, cheese is the bedrock, creating a gooey, melt-in-your-mouth base for the layers to come. Next comes the heart and soul of the Chicago deep dish, the tomato sauce. This isn't just any tomato sauce, but a chunky, robust sauce bursting with the tangy sweetness of ripe tomatoes. Seasoned with a blend of herbs and spices, it's simmered to perfection, allowing the flavors to meld and intensify. The final act in this delectable drama is the toppings. While the choice of toppings varies from sausage to mushrooms, bell peppers to onions, each adds a unique texture and flavor, making every bite an exciting adventure. What sets the Chicago deep dish apart is not just its ingredients, but its unique construction. The pizza is built upside down, with cheese and toppings nestled beneath the sauce. This inverted layering is a signature of the deep dish, a testament to its rebellious spirit. And let's not forget the deep pan that gives this pizza its name. It's more than a vessel. It's a mold that shapes the pizza, creating a high edge that holds in all the saucy, cheesy goodness. Now that we have our recipe ready, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Cooking a deep dish pizza is an art, and we're here to guide you through it. The first stroke of our culinary masterpiece begins with the dough. It's not just any dough, it's a golden, buttery crust that serves as the canvas for our deep dish creation. It's rolled out not too thin, not too thick, just the right thickness to hold a bounty of ingredients. Next, we lay down a generous layer of cheese. This isn't a mere topping, it's the foundation of our pie. We're talking about a thick blanket of mozzarella, a cheese known for its beautiful melt and mild flavor that perfectly complements the robust ingredients to come. Then comes the real star of the show, the tomatoes. A deep dish pizza is nothing without its rich, hearty tomato sauce. We use whole-peeled tomatoes, crushed by hand and simmered with a medley of herbs and spices until it's thick and bursting with flavor. This isn't just a sauce, it's the heart of our deep dish pizza. But wait, we're not done yet. A true deep dish pizza is all about balance. So, we add a sprinkle of parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil on top. It's these final touches that make our pizza truly shine. Finally, into the oven it goes. This isn't a quick bake, it's a slow and steady process that allows the flavors to meld together, the cheese to bubble and brown, and the crust to achieve that perfect golden crunch. The result is a pizza that's more than just a meal. It's a flavor-packed experience. Each step in the process is crucial, contributing to the final taste. The crust, the cheese, the sauce, the toppings, the baking. Each element comes together to create a symphony of flavors that is the Chicago deep dish pizza. With that, our delicious deep dish pizza is ready. But do you know where it all started? Every great dish has a story, and the deep dish pizza is no exception. The tale of the deep dish pizza starts in the heart of the United States, in the vibrant city of Chicago, in the mid-20th century. It was a time of post-war prosperity and culinary innovation. In this bustling period, two entrepreneurs, Ike Sewell and Rick Ricardo, had a vision. They imagined a pizza that went against the grain, something that was more than just a quick, thin, and crispy snack. Their ambition was to turn pizza into a hearty, full-fledged meal. In 1943, they opened the doors to Pizzeria Uno, the birthplace of the deep dish pizza. Their creation was a complete departure from the traditional pizza. It had a thick, buttery crust, acting as a bowl, filled to the brim with layers of cheese, toppings, and a tomato sauce, topping it all off. It was a pizza you needed a fork and knife to eat, a pizza that was deeply satisfying. But the journey of the deep dish pizza wasn't always smooth sailing. At first, the idea of a pizza that was so drastically different from the norm was met with skepticism. People were resistant to change. But Sewell and Ricardo believed in their creation and they persisted. Slowly but surely, the deep dish pizza began to win hearts. Its unique charm and the sheer indulgence it offered were irresistible. It wasn't long before it started making waves beyond the Windy City. Other pizzerias began adopting the deep dish style, adding their own twists and interpretations. Before long, the deep dish pizza had become synonymous with the city of Chicago, a testament to its culinary innovation and spirit. From its humble beginnings in a single pizzeria to its current status as a global sensation, the deep dish pizza's journey is a testament to the power of creativity, innovation, and a little bit of stubbornness. It's proof that sometimes going against the grain can lead to something truly extraordinary. From a local favorite to a global sensation, the deep dish pizza has come a long way. The deep dish pizza didn't just become popular overnight. It took years of dedication and innovation. As with any masterpiece, the deep dish pizza's rise to fame is a story of passion and perseverance, deeply rooted in the heart of Chicago. In the mid-20th century, the city of Chicago was bustling with pizzerias, each boasting their unique take on the traditional Italian dish. Amidst this competitive landscape, Chicago's deep dish pizza was born. It was different, it was bold, and it was delicious, but it didn't catch on immediately. The turning point came when a handful of iconic pizzerias decided to take a risk and put the deep dish pizza at the forefront of their menus. These pizzerias, some of which continue to serve their patrons to this day, played a crucial role in popularizing this hearty, cheesy delight. They experimented, they innovated, and they tirelessly promoted the deep dish pizza, turning it from an obscure local delicacy into a nationwide phenomenon. Pizzerias like Pizzeria Uno and Lou Malnati's became household names not just in Chicago, but across the United States. Their success story is a testament to the power of innovation and the irresistible allure of a well-made pizza pie. But the influence of the deep dish pizza didn't stop at the borders of Chicago or even the United States. It has made waves in the global pizza industry, inspiring pizza makers around the world to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the traditional pizza crust. From its humble beginnings in the kitchens of Chicago, the deep dish pizza has come a long way. Its journey is a testament to the power of culinary innovation and the universal love for a good slice of pizza. It's not just a dish, it's a cultural phenomenon, a piece of history you can taste. Today, the deep dish pizza stands tall as a symbol of Chicago's rich culinary history. It's a testament to the city's spirit of innovation and its undying love for food that warms the heart and fills the stomach. It's not just pizza, it's Chicago. It's history, served one slice at a time. The deep dish pizza is more than just a dish. It's a testament to the power of culinary innovation. In the heart of America, nestled amidst the bustling streets and towering skyscrapers of Chicago, a culinary legend was born, one that has since woven itself into the cultural fabric of the city and beyond. The deep dish pizza, with its iconic high edges and robust flavors, is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of Chicago's innovative spirit and a testament to its love for hearty, soulful food. From its humble beginnings in the kitchens of the Windy City, the deep dish pizza has traveled far and wide, bringing people together at dining tables all over the world. This pizza, with its generous layers of cheese, tomato, and toppings, tucked snugly into a flaky, buttery crust, has a way of sparking conversation, fostering camaraderie, and creating memories. It's not just a pizza, it's an experience. And let's not forget how the deep dish pizza has influenced popular culture. It has been featured in countless movies and TV shows, celebrated in songs, and has even inspired a deep dish pizza eating contest. It's safe to say that the deep dish pizza has become a cultural icon in its own right. Today, the deep dish pizza continues to enjoy a devoted following. Classic pizzerias in Chicago still serve it with the same passion and pride as they did over 70 years ago, while modern establishments experiment with exciting new toppings and flavors. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this culinary masterpiece. Looking forward, the deep dish pizza shows no signs of slowing down. As long as there are people who appreciate good food and chefs who love to innovate, the deep dish pizza will continue to evolve, to delight, and to bring people together. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe.